Welcome to the project demonstration of hand gesture control robotic vehicle. In this project we are using PIC microcontroller 829-3D and Zigbee receiver, Zigbee transmitter and 9 volts battery, Arduino Nano and main sensor, and also these for the gloves, and also 12 volts 2 amp battery is used by this robot, and also we have a total 4 motors with the RPM of 30. So each motor will be connected to the each side. So these motors will be controlled by this 829-3D motor. So main aim of this project is to control the robot based on the hand movement. So we need to place these gloves like this. So here you can see, when I operate this hand like forward side, it will move forward. If I say this angle, so it will go back side. If I tilt my hand like left side, it will rotate left. If I tilt my hand right side, it will rotate right. So the angles, the angle signals will be given by this main sensor. So the main aim of this main sensor is, whenever an angle will be detected, that angle will be given to this PIC micro Arduino Nano. So the Nano will be process the signal. That signal will be given to this Zigbee transmitter. So this is the Zigbee transmitter based controlling. So based on if it is in forward condition, it will give a one kind of signal. That signal will be taken by this Arduino Nano, then it will process the signal. That signal will be given to this Zigbee. Then Zigbee transmit the coil. So the main aim of this Zigbee is to transmit the signal only. And the Zigbee receiver, so the main aim of this Zigbee receiver only receiving the signal. So it will receive the signal, it will transmit the signal, it will receive the signal, and the received signal will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So based on the PIC microcontroller code, so we will give like as a, whenever a signal is come from a Zigbee receiver, then based on the signal we have to move forward or backward. So based on that if condition, it will be moved. So I will show how it will be works. So first of all, we need to connect this battery in proper way. So now we can see it is a initial position. After that, we need to on this power supply. So this one is a forward side. So if I do it like this, now I will show you forward, backward, left and right. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for watching.